I think this trend is really great. Shorts and AI tools make it super easy for anyone to start posting videos. You don't need big cameras or spend a lot of time. Even a short 30 to 60 seconds clip can reach a lot of people and get many views. It's a nice trend for anyone to share their idea and creativity. Seeing videos get noticed and shared by many people can feel really rewarding and makes you want to try more.
I'm not sure because shorts and fast AI editing feel a bit cheap sometimes. If everyone makes only short, quick video, we might lose longer. Deeper ones, I worry less important or serious topics will be ignored. Thank you.
It's dependent on how YouTube use AI and the algorithm. If they respect privacy and don't force only short videos, it could be good. But if the system push everyone to follow trend and copy each other, that's not good.
I think this trend shows the internet changes fast. It's exciting but also a challenge. Creators must start creative and adapt. I am curious to try, but I know it could be unstable or unpredictable.